Welcome to Trendster.
Pakistan's military makeover. How cutting-edge Chinese tech is redefining regional power dynamics in a world where military strength often dictates geopolitical influence. Pakistan is making bold moves to modernize its conventional forces. From sky-high air defense systems to state-of-the-art naval warships, the country is arming itself with some of the most advanced weaponry on the planet, courtesy of its ironclad partnership with China. But this isn't just about shiny new toys. It's a strategic game changer that could reshape the balance of power in South Asia. Let's dive into how Pakistan's military makeover is turning heads and raising stakes. The sky's the limit. HQ-9 air defense systems imagine a shield so powerful it can swat down enemy aircraft, drones, and even ballistic missiles from hundreds of kilometers away. That's exactly what Pakistan is getting with the Chinese-origin HQ-9 air defense system. Often compared to the Russian S-300 and the American Patriot systems, the HQ-9 is a beast of a machine designed to dominate the skies. With a range of up to 200 kilometers, the HQ-9 isn't just a defensive tool, it's a statement. It gives Pakistan the ability to detect and neutralize threats long before they reach its borders, effectively extending its strategic depth. In a region where air superiority is often the deciding factor in conflicts, the HQ-9 is a game changer. It's like giving Pakistan a pair of high-tech binoculars and a sniper rifle to guard its airspace. But the HQ-9 isn't just about brute force. Its advanced radar and targeting systems make it a nightmare for adversaries trying to jam or evade detection. Whether it's a stealthy drone or a supersonic fighter jet, the HQ-9 is built to handle it all. For Pakistan, this means a stronger, more resilient air defense network that can stand up to even the most sophisticated threats. Rule the waves. Type 054A frigates take center stage while the HQ-9 guards the skies. Pakistan's navy is getting a major upgrade with the induction of Type 054A frigates from China. These aren't your average warships, they're floating fortresses packed with cutting-edge technology. Think of them as the Swiss Army knives of naval warfare, versatile, powerful, and ready for anything. The Type 054A frigate comes equipped with a vertical launch system, VLS, for surface-to-air missiles, anti-ship cruise missiles, and advanced anti-submarine warfare, ASW, capabilities. With a displacement of around 4,000 tons, these frigates are built for endurance, capable of patrolling Pakistan's coastline or venturing into the deep waters of the Indian Ocean. For Pakistan, the Type 054A is more than just a ship, it's a symbol of maritime ambition. These frigates enhance the Navy's ability to protect critical sea lanes, conduct anti-piracy operations, and project power far beyond its shores. In a region where control of the seas is increasingly contested, the Type 054A gives Pakistan a seat at the high table of naval powers. Why this matters? A shifting balance of power. Pakistan's military modernization isn't happening in a vacuum. It's a direct response to the rapidly evolving security landscape in South Asia, where tensions are high and the stakes are even higher. With neighboring India investing heavily in its own military capabilities, Pakistan's upgrades are as much about deterrence as they are about defense. But there's a bigger picture here. Pakistan's reliance on Chinese technology underscores the deepening strategic partnership between the two nations. From joint production of fighter jets like the JF-17 Thunder to the transfer of advanced missile systems, China is playing a pivotal role in Pakistan's military transformation. This isn't just a buyer-seller relationship, it's a geopolitical alliance with far-reaching implications. Challenges on the horizon. Of course, modernization comes with its own set of challenges. Cutting-edge technology doesn't come cheap, and Pakistan's defense budget is already under strain. Maintaining these advanced systems requires not just money but also expertise, training, and infrastructure. And let's not forget the geopolitical tightrope Pakistan has to walk, balancing its partnerships while avoiding over-reliance on any single ally. But if history is any guide, Pakistan has a knack for punching above its weight. The country's defense industry has made significant strides in recent years, with initiatives like the JF-17 Thunder program showcasing its ability to innovate and adapt. The next step? greater self-reliance and diversification of defense partnerships to ensure long-term sustainability. The bottom line: Pakistan's military modernization is more than just a facelift, it's a strategic overhaul with the potential to redefine regional power dynamics. By investing in advanced systems like the HQ-9 and Type 054A frigates, Pakistan is sending a clear message: it's ready to defend its interests and assert its influence in an increasingly volatile world. As the country continues to upgrade its conventional forces, one thing is certain: the game is changing, and Pakistan is playing to win. Whether it's in the skies, on the seas, or across the geopolitical chessboard, Pakistan's military makeover is a story worth watching. Buckle up, this is just the beginning.